Hi everyone, my name's David Pazdernik. I'm a seeds agronomist for BASF, and today I'm standing in a soybean field and we're going to look for late season diseases in soybeans. And in particular today we're going to talk about Northern Stem Canker. Northern Stem Canker is part of a family of soybean diseases in the Diaporthae complex. It's a fungal group of diseases. They cause things such as Northern Stem Canker as well as Southern Stem Canker. That also includes pod and stem blight and Phomopsis seed decay. But today we'll concentrate on Northern Stem Canker, and two aspects. We'll look at identifying the disease and then control factors. So first off, trying to identify the disease. When Northern Stem Canker is a soil-borne disease, and the spores overwinter on soybean residue. So how it infects the plant in the vegetative stages during moderate temperatures, 70s and 80s, and a lot of rainfall such as we had in June. When you get rainfall with moderate temperatures, the rainfall will splash the spores onto the plant, and then you'll get infection. And then once reproductive stages arrive, you'll start seeing some plants that start to wilt or start to die out in your field. So I've got some plants here, and if you see some plants like this, you can suspect Northern Stem Canker. So you can pull these plants. The leaf symptoms, you can either have wilted leaves, or you can have symptoms that may look a little bit like sudden death. Once the plant dies, the leaves will tend to hang on to the plant. That's another symptom. And then we'll zoom in here, but you'll also see on the stem, now the roots will be fairly normal, but then maybe an inch to 2 to 3 inches above the stem, you'll see a canker. You can see it here, another one here. It's basically kind of a reddish brown looking canker. It can go all the way around the stem, it doesn't have to. But if you do have those symptoms, then I would recommend sending these plants into a disease clinic, and they'll confirm if you have Northern Stem Canker. Now, if they do confirm you've got Northern Stem Canker, you want to think about the next time you plant soybeans and what you can do for control. Seed treatment options and foliar fungicides really don't work that well when it comes to Northern Stem Canker. So that leaves you with using tolerant varieties, and there are varieties that are much more tolerant to Northern Stem Canker than other varieties. So ask your seed advisor for tolerant varieties. And second, crop rotation does help. Rotate to a non-host crop such as corn or wheat. One crop that is an alternative host is alfalfa, so do not rotate between soybeans and alfalfa, but corn and wheat make great rotation crops. The other thing you can do if you're in a tilled situation, or even minimum till, if you can till that residue deep underground, that will help control the disease as it's spread by spores from the soybean residue. So that kind of concludes our Northern Stem Canker talk today, and I thank you very much.